I thought कि I'm joining hotel management, मुझे थोड़े से बर्तन धोने हैं, थोड़ा सा खाना पकाना है, and I'll have enough time in my life for my medical ventures, but that was opposite the case.
He grew up in a small village in Baramulla, Kashmir. He wanted to be a neurosurgeon. He studied engineering, and then one day he walked into a hotel kitchen thinking it was temporary, and it's been 36 years since. Dr. Parvinder Shefbali, a gold medalist from Oberoi Center of Learning and Development. He was the opening chef at ITC Sonar Bangla, Sheraton and Tars. He has trained alongside the main gurus, Gordon Ramsay, Jamie Oliver and Thomas Keller. He has authored 5 textbooks used across India, Nepal, Kenya and Malaysia. And today, he is the director of the School for European Pastry and Culinary Arts in Gurugram.
The cuisine itself has changed completely. Where we were talking about typical French classical cuisine, तो आज वो molecular भी आ गया है, आज वो Mediterranean भी हो गया है, आज वो Peruvian and Thai भी mix हो रहा है, Doctor or chef, it's almost similar. So I tell people that, I wear whites, I cut things on the table. That's the only kind of a difference that, I work on dead things and I cannot put them back to life.
Yeah.
And that's what doctor does. But in terms of, new technologies coming in, that's medical and culinary happens. So much you have to study about ingredients, processes. I mean, of course, medical may be utni padhai hai, and once you're a doctor, you keep studying, updating yourself. And that is exactly as a chef, you keep updating yourself. Then Asian Chamber of Hospitality had selected 6 people around 5 years ago. One of them was ambassador to India from Kazakhstan, and so I say 6 people they have selected all over Asia, where looking at the work that they have done, they give them the honorary doctorate. So I was one of the recipients of that. Yeah, I think I'm first a chef and then a doctor.
Is there any one thing that you think culinary institutes जो बताते हैं सारा students को, कुछ ऐसी एक चीज है जो नहीं बताते हैं, which the students should know?
कि whenever you go to any culinary institute, to think कि मैं admission लेता हूँ, तो सबसे पहले आप उनकी बिल्डिंग्स, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ठीक है, बट द मेन फोकस शुड बी ऑन you should walk into their kitchens. You should see what kind of utensils are being used. What kind of equipments does the kitchen have? Then probably go and visit a back end of the hotel and compare कि क्या ये equipments वहाँ पे भी थे. Interact with the culinary educators who are going to teach you one on one. Ask them questions. Sit with them. आपको पता चल जाएगा कि how polished they are, how much knowledge do they have, and